Hello everyone, Hall here. Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm back out in the wild tropical rainforest of Malaysia. So a couple months back, I spent a fantastic night by the side of a stream at this campsite known as Freezy 68. And in that video, I took a short hike. I think it was about 1 kilometer to this wild camping area, which I am at right now. If you've not seen that video, I'll add it at the end of this video and in the description section below. I arrived here at about 2 in the afternoon, just as a few other campers were packing up and leaving. They were driving 4x4 trucks, and they shared with me some spots where you get the coolest winds at night, especially after the sunset. So if you guys are watching, thank you so much for sharing. I do have this entire area to myself, which is pretty cool. And I am taking a bit of a gamble. I checked the weather forecast, not expecting rain. I look up above me and it's just blue skies. So I did not set up my moonshade portable awning. It should be okay. We are expecting sunset at about 7:30, but since we're in the middle of really, really tall and I guess really old trees, this is quite virgin rainforest, I would assume. I think it'll get dark a little bit earlier because the trees are blocking the sun. So I've already set up everything I need to set up except for the cooking system, or rather except for the cook system. So I'm gonna sit back and chill out. So I hope you could hear me. It's really windy here. I was just sitting here enjoying this nice cool breeze by the side of the stream. And then I looked across the stream and I realized that there is a trail that goes all the way up to the top of that hill. I'm not sure where that leads to, but the next time I'm here, I'm bringing my hiking boots and I'm gonna go up to explore. Not this trip though. So I'm not gonna go attempt that trail on this trip because I'm not prepared for it. But I'll just show you guys real quick. That is the start of the trail. It goes up that way and then all the way up to the top of the hill. Absolutely no idea where it leads to, but that does mean I will have a new adventure on my next trip. Already looking forward to it. Had a good night's rest. In fact, I think I fell asleep much earlier than I usually do. The night sounds of the jungle and that distant stream, I went out like a light bulb. Saw many fireflies, but was unfortunately unable to capture them on camera. One in particular was zipping around really fast in a zigzag motion. It wasn't even flickering, it was just full-on turbo mode. In the morning, right before sunrise, I saw this little black, furry little caterpillar crawling on a rock. Not sure how it got there, it might have dropped from a tree. And just as I was about to take a video of it with my phone, this beautiful black and blue and purple bird, not that big, maybe about this size, just swooped down and in one fluid motion picked up the caterpillar with its beak and flew away. So I guess it's true, the early bird gets the worm. These are the moments that I love and enjoy the most about camping, especially when out in the wild. It's one thing to watch Animal Logic and PBS Eons on YouTube. Another thing to immerse yourself completely in nature to enjoy and appreciate it. Those are two of my favorite YouTube channels, by the way. I'll link them in the description if you're keen to watch. I'm pretty much packed up and ready to leave. As always, thank you so much for joining me. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Hard working so you can be deserving of the rest that you are given. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Give a lot and live a little. Work with what you got. Where you're going, rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth cannot be. You gotta get going. Easy now. You gotta get going. Easy now. Get along, give a hand, sleep heavy, be the man. Just there, where you are, do something, be the star. You gotta get